way back many years ago, our town was a sleeping town. And the only thing that can create identity for us as being Bungabuenos, that is the word we use, Bungabuenos, is to create an identity. Pag ang aming bayan, walang identity, wala siyang pupuntahan. Ngayon, ang sibuyas, pag sinabi mo na sibuyas, bungabong na. So, yun ma'am yun. Kasi, naaawa din ako sa magsasaka. Wala na ba silang gagawin kundi magtanim, umani, the routine, the usual routine na ginagawa nila. Why not for a change to create beauty, to create color, to create happiness, that we can see that we have arrived, that we are here to be the center of culture and art. At least I can claim that since it is the onion capital of the Philippines, bakit hindi natin papasahin ang magsasaka via the festival? I mean, we have street dancing, we invite outsiders, we invite influencers, and also we also empower showcasing our heritage food using the sibuyas as a tool to also to culinary prominence.